Hi, this is Fern G. Carr. Welcome to Poetry Form's mini tutorials, Experimental Poetry. Balanced plus well yield well balanced. For more free writing resources to help and entertain you, please be sure to click subscribe. Experimental poetry is just that, experimental. It's so much fun to compose because there really aren't any restrictions. In my poem, Balanced plus well yield well balanced, I balanced chemical equations and made them into rhyming couplets. I didn't adhere to the traditional rules for rhyming couplets because this is an experimental poem which allows me to do whatever I want. I therefore also changed the couplet in the final line of the poem to one long line spanning both of the columns above. Balanced plus well yield well balanced. Sodium and chlorine yield sodium chloride. Add potassium to fluorine for potassium fluoride. Calcium and carbonic acid form calcium carbonate. Copper and sulfuric acid become copper sulfate. Magnesium plus phosphorus make magnesium phosphide. Water and oxygen create hydrogen peroxide. Rubidium changes oxalic acid to rubidium oxalate. Lithium plus phosphoric acid make lithium phosphate. Mix silicon with oxygen for silicon dioxide. Combine carbon with oxygen for carbon monoxide. Silver transforms nitric acid into silver nitrate. Ethanol and acetic acid beget ethyl acetate. Aluminum and oxygen produce aluminum oxide. Sodium and water result in sodium hydroxide. Balancing equations may be formulaic, but coupled with poetry, it will never be prosaic. Hey everyone, thanks very much for watching. For more free writing resources to help and entertain you, please be sure to click subscribe. My poetry book, Shards of Crystal, is available worldwide at retail bookstores and libraries through Ingram Spark iPage distribution and also from Amazon and Silver Bow Publishing.